Is bad faith negotiation a breach of contract? Have you ever wondered what happens when an insurance company doesn't play fair during a claim? Let's break down the idea of bad faith negotiation and how it relates to auto insurance claims. A contract is a legal agreement that outlines the responsibilities of both the insurer and the policyholder. In the world of car insurance, this contract is your policy. It specifies what is covered, what the insurer must do, and what rights you have as a policyholder. Now, when an insurance company fails to meet its obligations, that's known as a breach of contract. But what about bad faith negotiation? This term refers to situations where the insurer acts dishonestly or unfairly during the claims process. Examples include refusing to pay a valid claim, offering a settlement that is much lower than what is deserved, or misrepresenting the terms of the policy. So, is bad faith negotiation a breach of contract? The answer is yes, but it can be more complicated. When an insurer does not pay a valid claim, that is clearly a breach of contract. However, bad faith goes beyond just failing to pay. It involves actions that are unfair or deceptive. This can lead to additional legal claims beyond just a breach of contract. If you file a claim and the insurance company refuses to pay without a valid reason, or uses unfair tactics to avoid payment, you may have grounds for both a breach of contract claim and a bad faith claim. The breach of contract claim would address the insurer's failure to pay what is owed under the policy. The bad faith claim would focus on the insurer's unfair behavior during the negotiation process. Many courts recognize that insurance companies have a duty to act in good faith and treat their policyholders fairly. If an insurer violates this duty, they can be held liable for bad faith. This can lead to additional damages, which may include punitive damages, court costs, and attorney's fees on top of the amount owed under the policy. In summary, bad faith negotiation in auto insurance claims can indeed be a breach of contract. However, it can also lead to a separate bad faith claim if the insurer's actions are particularly unfair or deceptive. Both types of claims can be pursued if the insurer does not act according to the policy and its duty to the policyholder. Understanding these concepts can help you navigate the often tricky waters of auto insurance claims.